Not sure how to use ashwagandha while breastfeeding? By the end of this video, you'll have 3 ways you can use ashwagandha and how to know if an herb is really safe for you while breastfeeding. For the best natural remedies for women and children's health, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of my new video each Tuesday. I've helped hundreds of women integrate natural remedies, and now it's your time. Head over to my blog post, taragregorio.com, to learn more. What exactly is ashwagandha? It's an Ayurvedic herb known to give you the strength and stamina of a stallion. Doesn't that sound great? So it's under a category of herbs called adaptogens, and adaptogens help us adapt around stress. That's why it's so important to add adaptogens in during the postpartum time, because it is an extremely stressful time. And truth be told, ashwagandha was one of the herbs that helped pull me out of postpartum depression. So when you're looking for an herb, how do you know it's safe when you're breastfeeding? Medications in Mother's Milk by Thomas W. Hale tells us what is safe, considered safe, or not safe during the breastfeeding years. So it's listed into L1 being the safest, and L5 is contraindicated. So you're looking for botanicals that are between L1 and L2 to consume during the breastfeeding years. Ashwagandha is considered L1. It's considered safest, no adverse effects observed in infants of lactating mothers. Therefore, ashwagandha is becoming very popular during the breastfeeding time. So ashwagandha, there's 3 ways. Number 1, you can make a decoction. So if you purchase the root ashwagandha, you can search on Amazon or Mountain Rose Herbs and purchase the root of ashwagandha. And because it's a root, you want to make what's called a decoction. So you would add about 2 tablespoons of ashwagandha to a cup of boiling water, bring it to a boil, turn it down to simmer for 20 minutes and cover it. That would be an ashwagandha decoction that you could have. The second way is as a powder. So this is becoming very popular to add into our coffee. We're adding reishi mushrooms and ashwagandha and dandelion root. So another way would be to purchase the powder of ashwagandha and add it directly into smoothies or your coffee in the morning. Traditionally, it was used with milk and honey. You would make a blend with milk and honey and drink that. The third way, which may be the way you choose as being a bit busy mama, would be as a tincture. So this is from Mountain Rose Herbs. It's the full name of ashwagandha is Withania somnifera. So it's also known to help induce your sleep. It doesn't make you sleepy if you take it during the day, but it does help restore your sleep at night. So ashwagandha as a tincture, they say take 30 drops 3 to 4 times a day and then store in a cool place. So what that would look like is you would squeeze out about a dropper full, you can measure it out if you choose, into a 1/4 cup of water, and then you would just drink the water. So tinctures are the easiest and fastest way to use herbs, and also to use herbs that might not taste so great. And that's why a tincture may be the fastest, most effective way for you to use ashwagandha. It's been known to help improve your sleep, reduce stress, improve your immune support, and your energy. And sometimes it's been known as being a woman with 1,000 husbands. So there may be some aphrodisiac effects from it. But overall, it helps to relax your body and soothe your mind so that you can go to sleep faster, especially when you're woken up in the middle of the night. If you're wondering how to recover from pregnancy faster and the safest herbs for you to use while breastfeeding, download my freebie, the Postpartum Recovery Checklist, to make sure that you are having a healthy and safe recovery with exercises and natural remedies. Click the link below to grab your freebie, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Thank you.